Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody to the Muzain 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are taking a look at a product that is made by Eureka. This is the E20 Evo Plus. This is my first experience with having the bagless filtration system. Now, that is probably going to be the biggest highlight that I want to mention right now, because you're officially cutting out having those bags to replace in your regular usage when it comes to your robotic vacuum cleaners. Now, with this particular vacuum, this is a vacuum and mop combo. Now, with that being said, this has a multi-cyclonic dust collection cylinder. Now, what's awesome about this is that it has a real easy handle that you're able to lift up and lift the whole base. And it's also got a detachable lock that once you flip that lock on the side, you're able to lift the canister right out of its cradle. That is probably one of my favorite features right off the bat, because you're going to save over $70 per year when it comes to replacing bags compared to this. That is value in itself, where you're getting the most bang for your buck. In addition to that, this has 10,000 PA of suction, which is a huge upgrade from the previous generation models that Eureka has put out there. So I'm going to bring you in for a quick look so you get a full look around as far as what I'm pointing out here, and then we're going to go right to the live demonstration, because I really want you guys to see how powerful and effective this unit actually is and the value you're going to be getting out of this. So stay tuned and check it out. Now, with the E20 Evo Plus, this is going to give you a total runtime of 180 minutes. Now, the one thing that I want to also point out with the Eureka, that this multi-cyclonic dust collection canister is going to provide you up to 45 days of storage when it comes to all of that debris and particulates that it's going to collect. Just to kind of give you that full look around here, because this thing is absolutely awesome. With the E20 Evo Plus, it has an enhanced design with what is referred to as the DragonClaw Anti-Tangle Side Brush. This is designed to prevent any kind of tangling, and it's going to detangle any kind of clumps and debris. So what I also like about it is the removable brush that we have right here for the main collection. So you've got your rubber pad as well as the bristles. You can see that I've already been using this quite a bit, and it works pretty darn good for what it is. I'm absolutely in love with it, and it works incredibly well. Eureka has done a fantastic job with coming up with this design. And again, this is both a vacuum and a mop. Now, this is also going to give you real-time notification in the event if you happen to get low on the cleaning solution when it comes to your solution here. And this is also part of the filtration system, as you can see, with our removable filter that can be cleaned as well. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing set up, and I'm going to demonstrate how easy this is actually to use, because you can create a schedule, you can create rooms, and it's got a 20mm lift when it comes to climbing over obstacles with obstacle avoidance, and it also has a 10mm lift when it comes to its mop pad, which is right there. So let's go ahead and get this thing full action. Stay tuned. Having seamless navigation with advanced LDS LiDAR technology, the Eureka E20 Evo Plus navigates precisely and avoids obstacles, reducing the risk of getting stuck. In addition to that, it has what is called a DragonClaw Anti-Tangled Side Brush. With its unique V-shaped design, it effortlessly detangles hair and spins freely to keep your brush running smoothly and collecting everything in its path. With 10,000 PA powerful suction plus mop pad at the same time, it is able to transition between hardwood flooring, tile, rugs, carpet, everything in its path, being able to lift up to 20mm, and having a 10mm mop lift pad, it can go navigate everything in its path, able to recognize objects, including your fur babies and pets. So that way it can seamlessly and effortlessly give you that peace of mind that it's going to tackle and run everything in its job and do its job, collecting, mopping, sweeping, and vacuuming, all at the same time. It is an awesome product. Once the Eureka E20 Evo Plus has completed all of its tasks and chores, it is going to return to its home station. It's going to look and align itself up, and then once it gets ready, it's going to back into the main home plate. So this is where it's going to empty its contents and at the same time charge itself. Now, as it locks in, the Vortex Cyclone canister is going to line up and the unloading vacuum begins, where it empties out debris and particulate, where you have peace of mind of up to 45 days of self-containing storage, so that way you have easy peace of mind of little to use and maintenance. Eureka's E20 Evo Plus transparent bag-free base station for self-emptying is easy to lift with the simple switch of a lock, giving you up to 45 days of collecting dust and debris. With the press of a button, you can easily empty out the canister. And in addition to that, with its other unique design with the press of a button, you can easily unlock the top and be able to pull out the MULTI-CYCLONE to collect all the rest of the debris and particulates for self-cleaning and emptying. This is an awesome device, being able to provide you tremendous amount of performance, and it pulls out and comes together with ease. Installation and convenience as space saving. This is a high performance compact device that I highly encourage and recommend for anyone. And it's an easy to installation with a simple drop-in place. The E20 Evo Plus is a must-have. When space is a priority, when you want to minimize the amount of space that you're actually occupying, Eureka designed this with the hands down, having that delivery of performance in a compact design. Plus, up to 45 days of convenience, and you can program a schedule on this thing through their app with multiple zones to focus on as to how your cleaning needs are, because on this app, you can map out your entire home, map out the rooms, map out their areas. So depending on what your focus needs are, you can customize this to your lifestyle, to your living needs. This is having a maid that you essentially tell it to do, walk away, and it's gonna do the job. Best of all, they have this on Amazon. And the fact that you can have it right down to your doorstep, I highly encourage and recommend checking it out for yourself, because it really truly is an awesome product. So what better way to experience it than check it out for yourself? Again, I highly recommend it. It is an awesome product. I guarantee you guys are gonna love it. Thank you all for watching.